There is groundbreaking treatment for those who suffered debilitating migraines, and it was pioneered right here in Colorado.
Denver 7's Ethan Carlson spoke to the doctor behind it and explains how it's helping patients who tried everything else first.
Looking at x-rays on his desk, Dr. Giancarlo Barilat has seen firsthand how bad migraines can be.
I've had people that when they got the migraines attacks, they might have to be in bed in the dark for days in a row, not eating, throwing up.
With 25 years under his belt studying and treating migraines, he knows how tough it can be for people to find the right treatment.
They try 20 different drugs and maybe they help for a day or a week or a month, and then the help goes away.
He's so accomplished, the Neuroscience Center at Presbyterian St. Luke's is named after him. He says the people who come here for his help experience severe migraines, often for more than 15 days a month. They've tried everything else. For them, nothing works until they try this.
So usually we implant the device here or here, and then the wires run under the skin and we place them here, or we place them in the back of the head.
The device is a neuromodulator made up of a pacemaker and an electrode. Dr. Barilat estimates he's implanted more than 10,000 of them in his career, even if that's not what they were meant for.
The devices that we use today, these devices here, they're not designed to treat headaches.
They're designed to go in the spine, but Dr. Barilat has been using them to treat severe migraines for 25 years. He even says one patient who couldn't bear the slightest noise did so well with the treatment, he became a firefighter.
Between sirens and all kind of alarms and things, you would think that he couldn't do it, but he can do it.
Now a company called Shiratronics is developing a neuromodulator that's actually meant to treat migraines.
It's a lot smaller and thinner, and you actually place it in the head, here, under the scalp. But it's very thin and it's kind of curved like this.
15 centers around the country, including Harvard, the Mayo Clinic, and Dr. Barilat, have been included in the study to get it approved by the FDA, bringing the device to more patients.
Because right now, some insurance companies pay for it, many don't pay for it. So that's an issue for a lot of patients.
He hopes more people can get this procedure and get rid of their pain.
I love this. This is why I do what I do, because it gives me the greatest joy to be able to help these people. It's really incredible.
In Denver, Ethan Carlson, Denver 7.